Well guys, in our last video we just got this barn, and as you can see with this hat that has the word Mahindra on it, we also got something else recently. That won't be in today's video though. That'll be probably in the next video after this one. But today, what are we going to be doing?
We're going to look for Morel Mushrooms, which this is a brand new adventure for us. We've never done it before.
So we're starting the search by what Deanna believes is a sycamore tree back here. So apparently they like to hang out around sycamore trees. Yeah, because it has massive leaves in the fall. Yep. So we may not find a bunch of morels today, but we will find a bunch of trash. The previous, well, maybe not the previous owners, but owners in the past have used this area as a dumping ground. So there's a lot of cleaning up to do around here at some point. We have a section of our property is just covered with pine trees. A lot of turkeys have been through here, and apparently turkeys like mushrooms as well. So they might have gotten to them before we did. So have you all been mushroom hunting before? Morel mushroom hunting? If so, maybe leave some tips down below. Your best spots or how to find them. Not sure if there are fire ants in Virginia or not, but these little red guys are running around. I'll have to look that up before I post this video. Next place we're gonna look is a big old ravine going down to our creek, see if we can find something in there. It's a bunch of storm damage though, so depends if we can get around all these down trees too. Making our way down this ravine. We may or may not find morels today, but regardless, we're paying a lot more attention to what's on the ground floor of our woods to see what kind of possibly edible plants we have around here. Like, we have a ton of wineberry plants around here, so if we're around during the summertime, we're definitely going to harvest a bunch of those. Maybe make some jams for the harvest skillet or something of that nature. Like these plants right here, I believe are wineberry plants. I mean, we'll obviously confirm that once berries start to form, or if they don't start to form. But our whole woods floor is covered with these things, which is probably why the bears like it around here so much too. The creek is flowing pretty well today for all that rain we've gotten recently. At some point in the future we'll actually build a bridge going across this creek. You can see we have a trail coming down through here. It's a pretty flat crossing, or level across there, so I don't know if I can get the tractor down here or not, but that'd be cool if I could set up some sort of pulley system and pull some tree limbs across there as the base and put some boards going across. Well, so far there's nothing we can find here, guys, that resembles a morel mushroom. Yeah, down trees are kind of putting a damper on hiking up this creek. Gotta get the chainsaw down here. I've been finding a bunch of mushrooms like this. Or weeds, I'm not really sure what they are. So far those are the only mushrooms I've found along this creek. Here's some more of those cascading rocks. Nice little stairs from nature to get up this trail. First time really hiking along the creek. Might be able to make it up there, we'll see. Appears there might be a point here soon where I can no longer make progress forward on this creek. So far I've been finding ways around it. I kind of stopped looking for morels, honestly. If I happen to find one, I'll find one. But now my challenge is just trying to get up this creek. And of course these vines with thorns on them aren't making it very easy to get up. Oh, I think I'm almost up to the wall. See if I can get up there and show you guys. This is kind of cool. A log fell in the creek and it kind of hollowed out in the center. And now it's acting as like a ramp for the water to go down. And pretty sturdy. I might be able to just walk up this thing. Yep, so far. I mean, it's rotting out a little bit underneath me, so I should probably get off of it. Some of this is easily moved. It's just been sitting across here for the longest time. Not sure where Deanna went. She's back there somewhere. Yeah, look at all the storm damage. Just ridiculous amount of trees. I don't think I'm gonna be able to make it through there, but we'll see. So, got our slip and slide right here. It's hard to show you, but there's literally like 2 or 3 foot steps through here to get up. But I can break some of this off. Yep. Oh, it's breaking in my hand, it's so fragile. That makes it easier to get it out of the way at least. There we go. How neat is this? Ugh. Literally steps going up our creek. And this is probably a good 3 foot wall. Then all the storm damage. I might be able to shove my way through. I'm just gonna go for it. Marco! Oh, there she is. Yeah, you're blending in. I don't know if I can get through this, guys. These are good, like 4 foot drops. Y'all think I can get through there? Can't really tell, but this is like a 3 foot rise over a waterfall and through down trees. You can see the down trees part. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get any footing through here, but otherwise I'll have to hike all the way back that way. What do I do? I'm gonna go for it. Well, I made it through. I have a couple new cuts on me, but I made it through. I just gotta hike up a extremely slippery waterfall. Whew. Imagine how fun this would be when it's actually cleared. You find a way through up there? All right. This is almost... All right. Gotta be careful not to actually hurt myself here. Sorry for the lack of ability to control the camera right now. But yay, she made it through too. Alrighty. Up we go. And almost fell down, but I did not fall down. Clean off the camera. How many times can you say you hiked up a waterfall? Gotta watch out for snakes in here too. Deanna said she just saw a snake up there. All right. Well, whoever comes visit us, this is definitely the most difficult trail we have, since it's not a trail. Ooh, that's mucky, look at that. Through or around? I think I'll go around this time. Walking stick and cotton things. A little bit more progress here. Sometimes you just gotta shove your way through things in life. It's not usually my best advice. Well, bunch of trees and stuff on the way down here, or down there, but a bunch of vines with thorns in them in the way up here, and I don't have anything to hack at them, so I might just have to find my way off the trail. I don't think I can go up this steep area. I'll let you know once I get out. Yeah, I had to make my way off the creek. Just too many vines down there. Silly storm. Destroying our paths. Everything's blooming. Well guys, no morels today. We tried. We had fun hiking through the woods in the process though. First time I've ever hiked up the creek. Knocks one off the list. I may have scratched myself up pretty bad doing so. I need to bring pruners or a machete or something next time I try that. Clear up the trail a little bit more. Well guys, I think that's probably it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this little adventure through our woods. If you like this video, hit that like button. Subscribe if you want to see more videos like it. You can also check us out at
dnsadventures.com.
And as always,
adventure on.
With more enthusiasm.
Adventure on.
There we go.